Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna create this glowy and glossy kind of makeup look which is so soft but so elegant and your skin actually glows. So let's get started. If you're wondering what is this red color on my face, this is the blush viral hack which I had created just 2-3 videos back, so y'all can check. Now moving further, I'm gonna use a foundation. This is from the Makeup Revolution and my shade is F6. If you're searching for a foundation for dry skin, then this foundation is a must buy. It is medium to full coverage and also gives you a nice dewy look. Guys, as I'm blending the foundation, the red lipstick is now peeping through and it actually looks nice. So you all can do the same trick. First prep your skin well, apply a little bit of red lipstick on your cheeks as a blush and then go with the foundation. This is gonna look amazing and this will look like as if you're blushing from within and you have not applied any powder blush on or anything. That is why I thought let me create this look today, as I'm not gonna use much of powder or any powdered products. And now this is the highlighter from Makeup Revolution. Oh my god, this highlighter I've been using from ages and y'all can see iski halat kitni kharab hai. Guys, this highlighter is a bomb. I mean, this actually glows your face like anything. And I did not use a compact because compact लगाने के बाद सब कुछ matte हो जाएगा. And did you all see the finish of the foundation? It is so glowy. That is why I told that it is proper foundation for the dry skin girls. Now I'm gonna use this highlighter all over my face. जैसे हम compact लगाते हैं वैसे ही मैं ये पूरा face पे लगाऊंगी. This is gonna give you such a glowy, glossy kind of look. You can already see ये इतना shiny look दे रहा है face पे. But trust me, it is not at all glittery or has chunky glitters in it. It is just like your skin. I hope you all can see how glowy and dewy my face is looking. And I love this kind of look so much. And now I'm gonna use this palette. This is an multi-use palette. Picking the lightest shade from this palette, I'm gonna apply it all over my lid. And you all can see the pigmentation. Oh my god, it is insane. I just have to touch it once and it is so pigmented. As today's video and today's look is all about glowy and glossy, so all the products what I'm gonna use are only gonna give you lots and lots of glow. Keeping it very soft on eyes, I've used a single eyeshadow. And now I'm gonna use a mascara. This is from the brand Essence. Sorry guys, the video where I applied the liner got deleted. But it is a basic liner with a small wing. And y'all can see it is looking so simple but so beautiful. And now I'm gonna use this Lux's. It is an mood changer or mood matcher lipstick. This I got it from Dubai in one of some medical store, but now it is available on Amazon and on Nykaa. There are many shades available, so y'all can check. This lipstick acts according to your body temperature. I mean, agar your body is warm, then it's gonna get dark. And if it is normal, then it's gonna stay like a lip balm. But trust me, this lip balm stays for the whole day. It's not gonna move anywhere. Guys, there are lots of shades available like pink, peach, orange and many more. Now I've just added the false lashes and मुझे थोड़ा और curl चाहिए था. So I'm using this curler. This is a lash curler, and guys, if you all want to learn how to use this, please comment me. I'm gonna teach you all. And by this, instantly your lashes are gonna get curled and look beautiful. This can actually be like a hack. If your lashes are too straight and you want them to get it little curled, Then on the false lashes itself, y'all can curl it. And guys, I'm just showing you all this lip balm or lipstick. Y'all can see it does not transfer at all. And now I'm gonna use a lip gloss on it, as today's look is all about, again, glossy and glowy. So let me complete the look with lots of gloss. And this is a random gloss. I got it from Westside. By just applying this lip gloss, it is completing the whole look. And yes guys, by just 4-5 products, y'all can see I've created such a beautiful glowy glossy kind of look, which looks so beautiful, so elegant, and looks like your skin is so healthy. And yes guys, if you like today's video, please do comment. And guys, it takes lots of time and patience to create such videos, so please do show some love.